Insert a lighting point from either plan view or 3D view. Choose the type of light. A click connects the light object to the mouse cursor. Use the magnets to set the lighting point into position. Adjust the beam direction. Even set its color. Switch the light on or off. Choose the type of light. Classify a group of lights in relation to their use. Activate the Realistic View option to apply all visual effects for lights and materials. Set to time. Switch the lights on or off. Now launch a rendering.